Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix battle.net not updating. It's super easy to fix. What you need to do here is you need to clear your battle.net cache. And to do so, you just need to completely close battle.net, and then you just need to open up Task Manager and also end all the tasks related to battle.net. So this one, and this one as well, and this one. So it should be no tasks related to battle.net, and after you do so, you just need to press Windows and R key to get this window, and then here you just need to write %sign program data %sign. Press OK, and on this window you just need to delete these two folders here, battle.net and Blizzard Entertainment. Don't worry, it's just the cache files. It won't affect your game. And after that, you just need to restart your computer, try battle.net and update your games, right? So that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.